graphical solution of quadratic. So here we are going to discuss about the graphical solution of a quadratics. So here we are dealing the part 2 in an advanced level. So here we are going to draw the graph of type y is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. So one illustration, that is example under this. Draw the graph of y is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. Then now the solution starts. As per problem, the given graph is of y is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. Then now in the case number 1, at x equals to minus 3, so when we substitute x as minus 3 in the equation, that is y is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6, so you will be getting the value of y. Then now y is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to, x must be replaced by means of minus 3, that is minus 3 whole square minus 5 into x value as minus 3 plus 6. That implies minus repeatedly multiplied twice, minus into minus is of plus, 3 square value is of 9, that is 3 into 3 is of 9, minus of minus is of plus, 5 3s is of 15, then now plus 6 must be written as it is. So that equals to 9 plus 6 is of 15, 15 plus 15 is of 30. So in this manner I got y value as 30. Then now the ordered pair will be of, the first ordered pair is of, when x is of minus 3, we got the y value as 30. So ordered pair will be of minus 3 comma 30. Then now similarly in the second case, that is at x equals to minus 2, at x equals to minus 2, the quadratic equation which is given is of y is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. So in this quadratic, so here we are going to replace, so that implies x by means of minus 2. So x square, that is minus 2 whole square minus 5 into x value as minus 2 plus 6. Then now that implies minus 2 whole square, minus repeatedly multiplied twice, minus is of plus, so 2 square value is of 4, that is 2 into 2 is of 4, minus is of plus, 5 2s is of 10, then now plus 6 must be written as it is, that equals to 6 plus 4 is of 10, 10 plus 10 is of 20. So in this manner I got the y value as 20. Then now the ordered pair will be of, the second ordered pair is of x comma y, that is x value is of minus 2, when x is of minus 2 we got the y value as 20. Then now in the third case, that is at x equals to minus 1, the equation is of y equals to x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to, x must be replaced by means of this minus 1. So, here minus 1, but it must be squared because it is of x square, minus 5 into x by means of this minus 1 plus 6 written as it is. So, that implies minus 1 whole square. So, minus repeatedly multiplied twice. So, minus into minus is of plus, then now 1 square value is of 1, minus of minus will be of plus, then now 5 ones is of 5, then now plus 6 must be written as it is. So, that equals to 1 plus 5 is of 6, 6 plus 6 will be of 12. So, in this manner we got, so here y value as 12. Then now the ordered pair will be of OP, the third ordered pair is of, when x is of minus 1, that is minus 1, then we got the y value as 12. Therefore, the ordered pair is of minus 1 comma 12. Then now, so here we have to replace x by means of 0 in the next case. At x equals to 0, the quadratic equation which is given is of y is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. So, that implies x must be replaced by means of 0. So, it is of 0 square because it is of x square minus 5 into x replaced by means of this 0 plus 6. Now, that equals to 0 square value is of 0 and 5 into 0 is of 0. We can struck off these two. Then now, so here the leftover term is of only plus 6. So, in this manner we got, so y value as 6. Then now the ordered pair which we got is of, when x is of 0, then now the y value which we got is of 6. Then now the next, at x is equals to 1. So, we are going to replace x by means of 1, then the quadratic equation will be of, so here y is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. So, that implies x must be replaced by means of 1, that is 1 square minus 5 into x value is of 1, then now plus 6 must be written as it is. So, that equals to 1 square, 1 is repeatedly multiplied twice, 1 square 1 into 1 is of 1 minus 5 ones is of 5 plus 6 must be written as it is. So, that equals to 6 plus 1. So, 1 is of positive and 6 is also of positive. So, 1 plus 6 is of plus is plus, we have to add up, 6 plus 1 is of 7. Then now plus 7 minus 5, plus of minus will be minus. So, 7 minus 5 will be of 2. Then now 7 is of positive, we will be getting the positive 2. So, in this manner we got, so y value as 2. Then now, so the ordered pair will be of, when x is of 1, so we got the y value as 2. Then now the next case, at x is equals to 2, the given equation is of y is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. Then now that implies x must be replaced by means of this 2. So, x square, that is 2 square minus 5 into x, that is 5 into x by means of this 2. Then now plus 6 must be copied as it is. So, that equals to 2 square, 2 2s is of 4, then now minus 5 2s is of 10, then now plus 6 must be copied as it is. So, that equals to plus 6, and here 4 is of positive, plus is of plus. So, here we have to add up, 4 plus is of 10, 10 minus 10 will be of 0. So, in this manner we got, so y value as 0. Then now, so the ordered pair will be of, when x is of 2, we got the y value as 0. Then now the next case, that is at x equals to 3. At x equals to 3, the equation given is of y is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. That implies x must be replaced by means of 3, that is 3 square because it is of x square, then now minus 5 into x replaced by means of 3 again, then now, so plus 6 must be copied as it is, so that equals to 3 square, 3 3 is of 9 minus 5 3 is of 15, then now plus 6 must be copied as it is, so that equals to 9 is of positive and 6 is also positive, plus of plus is plus, we have to add up, 9 plus 6 is of 15, 15 minus 15 is of 0. Then now, so in this manner I got y value as 0, then the ordered pair OP, the ordered pair will be of, when x is of 3, then the y value is of 0. So in this manner we got all the ordered pairs, then now we are going to replace in this tabular form. So here x and here y values. The first ordered pair is of minus 3 comma 30 minus 2 comma 20. When x is of minus 3, y is of 30, when x is of minus 2, then y value is of 20. Then now, the next ordered pair is of minus 1 comma 12. When x is of minus 1, then now y value is of 12. Then now here, the next ordered pair is of 0 comma 6. When x is of 0, then the y value is of 6. Then next x value is of 1, then y value is of 2. When x is of 2, y is of 0. So here 2 and 0. When x is of 3, then the y value will be of 0. So here the first order pair is of minus 3 comma 30 and minus 2 comma 20 is the second order pair, minus 1 comma 12 is the third order pair, and similarly and so on. So we are going to plot all these ordered pairs in the graphical sheet.